This video is about removing the ransomware called Zpps. Zpps is the ransomware type infection which our researchers found while investigating new malware submissions to the virus total database. By the way, this particular ransomware, Zpps, is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. In the video guide, I will demonstrate to you how exactly this ransomware works and what it does with the files. Definitely before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without any problems. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Then pretty soon people realize that something really bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware also may be integrated with some malicious software or malware. After people restart their computers, they suddenly realize that something really bad has happened with their files and that the files got encrypted by this Zpps ransomware. So the ransomware encrypts the files, and then, after the encryption is successful, it adds the special Zpps extension to the files, and the files are no longer available. So now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file and you get this message mentioning that Windows cannot open this type of file. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. On the other hand, the ransomware is indeed real, and this Zpps extension is real. Removing the extension manually does not fix the issue. The file is still encrypted and damaged. We recommend you to check your task manager, and if you find any suspicious processes that are running in the background, make sure to terminate them to stop the further file encryption. Considering removing this ransomware, we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. To download it, go to the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, the official website of Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching and investigating your computer. The program will be in the trial mode initially. Only the quick scan option is available. You need to click on Start Scan button, and the program will begin analyzing your computer. But it would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, of course. So do not cancel this procedure, simply wait. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. It works very well in terms of identifying the ransomware, including Zpps. Combo Cleaner has got the excellent anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats that were revealed. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats on the system, And we strongly advise that you upgrade to the premium license to make sure that all of these threats are effectively deleted from your computer and that your files are always protected in the future.